What's going on? Welcome to today's video. My name is Colton. I'm going to do no editing for this one. This is off the cuff. I've been seeing that there's been a number of comments on my Zellige tile video asking about how it's held up, if any tiles popped off. I've had comments of people saying like, this won't work, you gotta have grout, what about cooking, what about the dirt and the grime, how do you clean all that, etc. So I just want to show you really quick. I legit just got done washing some dishes. So the kitchen isn't in like pristine condition. Know that. But let's flip the camera around and I'll show you. Sorry, pardon the stuff in the way too. So I'm just trying to leave it as raw as possible. Haven't like tidied up this place for you guys or anything. Try to keep my kitchen relatively clean. But I honestly have not had to do any sort of deep cleans. Let me like even get in here, the cracks, right? Some of you may be watching like, oh, well, that's not over the stove and blah, blah, blah. Like, I'll get there. Just to show that I'm not perfect. There's my caulking job. You can see it didn't really pan out, but not a big concern on the edges over here. Still holding up really well. It's nice, it's good. I live in Utah, so go through all 4 seasons. So again, not a single tile's popped off. The adhesive has worked really, really well. I did notice though, when installing this video, that I should have used a hard block, because you can tell if I back up a little bit, there's a little bit of a sag right there. So I think as the adhesive was drying and the weight of the tile came down, it just like sagged a little bit. So that's kind of unfortunate, but so if you do watch that video, just keep in mind you may want to have something that kind of holds that in place. But here's the cooking area. My wife cooks dinner probably about 3 or 4 times a week, so it is a little dirty. Sorry, I'll probably get judgment like, ew, clean your stove. Trying to prove a point here. I got 3 kids, and you know, we try to keep this place relatively clean. And there's no, it's not hard to clean. That adhesive is done really, really well. It's held up again. Not a single tile has popped off. And yeah, I would definitely use the adhesive again. I've also had comments, turn around, excuse me. I've also had comments from people saying that this tile isn't true Zellige. Yeah, you're right. This is a Zellige look. I got it from a Tiles for Less store. It is ceramic, but it's supposed to mimic that Zellige look. And I like it. It's been great. It works well with the adhesive. True Zellige tile. I know a lot of people have said it's from Morocco, not Spain. All right, sorry. So apologies there, but hopefully one day in a home that we're in, we can install true Zellige tile, because it's expensive, it's thick, it's awesome. But I don't know if I would use the adhesive. I don't know, I'd have to do a little bit more digging as far as using true Zellige tile. So there's a quick little update. If you have any questions or comments, do so down below and check out my other videos. Thanks, good night.